Can an engine last 500,000 kilometers? Absolutely. But 91% of cars never even reach 100,000 kilometers. I know common people with Corollas, Civics, even Surus that have crossed 500,000 without touching the engine. It's not luck, they are 17 habits that will leave you in shock. And I warn you, number 5 directly contradicts your owner's manual, and number 1 is so ignored that when you see it, you are going to want to check your car immediately. We go straight to the point because this can save you literally thousands in repairs. Habit 17. Change the transmission fluid every 40,000 kilometers. The most dangerous myth of automotive maintenance is lifetime fluid. Many ask what car brand is the one that breaks down the least. But the reality is that any brand fails if you ignore the transmission. Lifetime means the life of the warranty, 70,000 kilometers. But you want to reach 500,000. The fluid lubricates, cools, and transmits pressure. Reconstruction cost $3,000 to $6,000. Change cost $100 to $200. If your car has more than 150,000 kilometers and you never changed it, do gradual partial drains to avoid releasing accumulated grime. Habit 16. Change the oil every 5,000 kilometers, no matter what the manual says. They ask me constantly, how can I make my car last 300,000 kilometers? And this is the number one habit that all high-mileage survivors share. That manual lies kindly. When it says 10,000 kilometers, it assumes perfect conditions that don't exist. Independent studies show that following extended intervals increases internal wear up to 40%. Those who reach 500,000 use synthetic every 5,000, always. One change costs $40, a rebuild $4,000. The math is clear. Wait, because what comes next answers the question that everyone asks, but few resolve correctly. Habit 15. Check the oil every 2 weeks. This is one of the simplest ways of how to extend the life of the engine without spending extra money. When the sensor turns on, your engine already cried for help for kilometers. Modern engines consume oil. It's normal, but if you don't know how much yours consumes, you're going blind. When you check every 2 weeks, you see the complete history. If 15 days ago it was perfect and today it's lower, your engine is drinking oil. Also, look at the color. Coffee with milk-colored oil means coolant mixing in. This simple check is an essential part of how to take care of your car's engine to extend its useful life decades. Habit 14. Never go below a quarter tank. This rule directly answers how can I make my engine more efficient. The pump lives submerged in gasoline because the gasoline cools it. When the tank drops too much, the pump works 40 degrees hotter, reducing its life 30%. Also, at the bottom there is sediment. With a full tank, the intake is far from that garbage. When you drop too low, it sucks from the bottom and those particles reach the injectors, reducing efficiency and power. The golden rule: when it reaches a quarter, you fill up. This simple discipline protects both the pump and the injection system. Habit 13. The first 5 minutes, drive as if you were carrying a cake on the seat. Many people ask, does driving fast damage the engine? And the answer is, it depends on when. 70% of wear occurs cold. In those first minutes, the oil is thick. The metal rubs with less protection. Start it. Wait 30 seconds. Then drive soft, without accelerating hard, without going above 3,000 revolutions. They also ask me, how long can an engine remain stopped without being started? And here is the balance. You don't need to leave it 10 minutes at idle like before, but don't go burning rubber either. For 5 minutes, be zen. The difference between this and accelerating cold is reaching 450,000 versus starting to consume oil at 200,000. And now comes something that goes against everything they taught you at the gas station. Habit 12. Never fill up after the first click. When the gun clicks, the tank is full. If you keep filling, that excess floods the carbon canister of the EVAP system, designed for vapors, not liquid. When it gets soaked, it crumbles internally, sending particles to valves and lines. Result? Unstable idle, difficult starts, check engine, repairs of $400 to $1,200 that you could have avoided with a simple rule. One click, stop. The system breathes correctly, and the EVAP components remain dry and functional for decades. Habit 11. Use certified premium gasoline when you can. If you look for what engine has more durability, you will discover that it's not only about the engine, it's about what you feed it. Cheap fuel accumulates carbon brutally fast. GDI engines spray at 2000 psi, and microscopic deposits alter the injection pattern. AAA tests showed that non-premium fuels accumulated 19 times more carbon in just 4,000 kilometers. Use certified premium and injector cleaner every 3,000 kilometers. The cars respond with smoother idle, better acceleration, and optimized consumption after a proper cleaning cycle. Habit 10. Change the coolant every 40,000 kilometers. An essential part of how to take care of your car's engine to extend its life is to keep the cooling system impeccable. With the engine cold, check the transparent reservoir. The level must be between marks, but the color counts more. Healthy coolant maintains a clean tone: green, red, pink. If you see it brown with rust, the circuit is dirty. There is internal corrosion attacking aluminum. If it's thick like mayonnaise or smells like exhaust, head gasket in trouble. A monthly check gets you ahead of the temperature warning light and the catastrophic overheating that destroys engines in minutes. But there is something that almost nobody does, and that literally doubles the useful life of critical components. Habit 9. Clean or change the air filter every month. The filter is the nose of the engine and a key component in how can I make my engine more efficient. Clogged is like trying to run with a pillow on your face. You consume more, you perform less. Remove the clips, take out the filter, look at it against the light. If barely any clarity passes through, it is saturated. Tap it softly against the floor, or blow with compressed air from the clean side toward the dirty side. If it's dark gray, deformed, or with visible oil, it is mandatory replacement. A clean filter improves up to 10% consumption, protects the MAF sensor that costs hundreds, and keeps the engine like new. Habit 8. Check belts every month looking for cracks. The belts move the alternator, water pump, steering, air conditioning. They are cheap compared to what they drive, but when they break, they cause massive damage without prior warning. With the engine cold and a flashlight, look at the inner face with grooves. Transverse cracks, frayed edges or shine, like burnt plastic, mean a close end. Black gummy dust around pulleys is rubber coming apart in real time. Touching them, they should not be loose nor tight like a guitar string. Checking them monthly allows you to plan the change before the trip, not after calling the tow truck on the highway. Habit 7. Inspect hoses and clamps monthly. The hoses are the arteries of the engine, a critical part of how to extend the life of the engine. With the engine cold, go over with sight and hand the thick ones from the radiator, the ones going to the heater, the thin vacuum ones. Look for cracks, surface dried by UV, swollen zones like balloons about to explode, flattened parts that restrict flow. If you can rotate the hose inside the clamp with your fingers, that union doesn't seal well. White or greenish crust around it means a dry leak that will soon be a stream. A hose that today barely sweats, tomorrow with a pothole or a heat up explodes and empties the entire system in seconds, leaving you stranded with the head gasket at risk. And here we enter the territory that separates average owners from those who cross 500,000 without drama. Habit 6. Check the level and color of the brake fluid monthly with the car on flat ground. Locate the reservoir near the driver's side with the brake symbol. Level between minimum and maximum is basic, but the color reveals everything. A clear, yellowish liquid is healthy and effective. Dark brown, almost coffee-colored, is loaded with moisture from the air. It boils at a lower temperature. It makes the pedal spongy exactly when you most need to brake. If the reservoir sweats liquid through the cap, someone overfilled it or the cap lost its seal. A monthly glance says if it's time to bleed every 2 years, or if the system is losing fluid through some line or cylinder. Habit 5. Check the condition and level of the battery monthly. They ask me often, how frequently should an automobile be driven to keep the battery charged? And should I start my car? The answer depends on the state of your battery. Look, the terminals should not have white, green, or blue mountains. That corrosion is sulfate that creates electrical resistance. It makes for heavy starting, fails the electric power steering. Clean it with a wire brush and protect with dielectric grease. Observe the casing. A swollen or cracked battery suffered overcharge or excessive heat. If you can, use a simple voltmeter. Off. It should hover around 12.4 to 12.7 volts. A weak battery doesn't just leave you stranded, it punishes the alternator with overload. It causes voltage drops that create ghost electronic failures in expensive modules. Habit 4. Listen for strange noises at idle monthly. If you want to understand what car engine is better for a long, useful life, the answer is the one that is listened to regularly. Car warm at idle. Turn off the radio and air conditioning. Open the hood. Stay 1 minute simply listening. A healthy engine has a constant musical rhythm. Repetitive metallic knocking can be tappets with dirty oil or low level. Strong, rhythmic taps indicate play in connecting rods or pistons, much more serious. Sharp squealing is a loose belt or a pulley with a seized bearing. A strong blowing like an air leak is a cracked exhaust or an intake leak. If the engine moves more than normal or shakes, tired mounts or a cylinder not working well. Memorize the normal sound of your engine. Detect changes immediately. What comes now is the superpower that gets you ahead of any problem weeks before it explodes in your face. Habit 3. Scan OBD codes monthly, even if there are no lights on. A basic reader costs $40, connects under the dashboard, and gives you X-ray vision of the engine. Your car has constant internal conversations between sensors and computer. When the yellow light turns on, the problem has been growing silently for weeks or months. The reader shows pending codes that haven't yet turned on lights. Imagine seeing misfire detected cylinder 3 without a check engine light. You have golden time to change that spark plug, $50. Ignore it, and that failing cylinder sends unburned fuel to the catalytic converter, progressively damaging it. When you finally see the light, you need spark plug plus catalytic converter, $1,500 for not scanning before. Also, you can see live data, oil temperature, battery voltage, mixture adjustments. With time, you know what is normal in your car and detect anomalies before anyone else. Habit 2. Check for visible leaks under the hood monthly. The big breakdowns start as small stains that nobody wanted to look at in time. With the engine cold start on the floor where you always park. Black oil stains, greenish or pink puddles of coolant, transparent drops with a strong smell of gasoline. Open the hood. Look with systematic bad intent. Around the valve cover, oil filter, oil pan. All visible hoses, oil makes dark, humid zones that trap dust, creating revealing, greasy crusts. Coolant leaves dry traces, white, green, pink, near hoses and connections. It's always dry, and 1 month you see a new, shiny zone, or a humid one. Something changed recently. A clamp that started to seep, a tired seal, an oil pan bolt that weeps oil. Detecting it in the drip phase is a cheap repair with the car in your garage. Detecting it when it's already a stream is a tow truck, overheated engine, destroyed head gasket. And finally, the habit that marks the absolute difference between average owners and those who cross the $500,000 without blinking. Habit 1. Use the parking brake before putting it in park. Many people look for what is the most durable car brand, when they should be looking for how do I protect the transmission of any brand. Most put it directly in park, and that progressively destroys the parking pawl, a small metal lock that holds literally all the weight of your vehicle when it's on a slope. When that P fails after years of abuse, it's $900 to $1,500 of specialized repair. The intelligent routine that all high-mileage survivors use. Handbrake. First, let the car stabilize completely. Only then move the lever to park. This transfers the weight to the braking system where it belongs. It doesn't punish the transmission unnecessarily. Transmission specialists estimate that this simple habit reduces wear on the pawl up to 70%. It's 3 seconds that prevent thousands in repairs and allow your transmission to last comfortably beyond 200,000 kilometers without reconstruction.